Hello, grade 2. How are you today? Okay, today we are going to review the chapter 1, all the topics that we discuss, all the lesson from chapter 1. We will review it. Then after that, we will answer the Mastery Practice 1, Section A and Section B, and Challenge Yourself 1. Just prepare yourself, then we will know how do you respond in our lesson for the whole chapter. Welcome to online class Math 2. Okay, if you have Inside Out Math 2, let's use your book as your guidebook, and later we will answer your book and answer together. So we are now in chapter 1, numbers 2, 1000. So today we are going to review all the chapters that we learned from the past days. Number 1, we study about counting in hundreds up to 1000. We learned the tens is equal to 100 or 100, 100. 100 more than 900 is 1000. So I can write 1000 in words as 1 O-N-E, 1000 T-H-O-U-S-A-N-D. Then we learn about the place value, that I can write a 3-digit number in a place value table. So when we place 125 in a place value, you can see the cubes of 100 and the tens and the ones. So these are the place value table. Then the example in 368, the digit 3 is in the 100 place. So, and has a value of 300. So if you look at the 3 number here, it has a value of 300. In 432, the digit 3 in the tens place has the value of 30. If you look at the number 3 here, they have the value of 30. In 173, the digit 3 in the 1 place and has a value of only 3. If you look at number 3 here, the value of 3 here is only 3. Then we study also the place value. Means the greater than and means the smaller than. Then if we will make a table of place value, we can see the arrangement of the hundreds and the tens and the ones. First, we compare the digits in the 100 place. These are the hundreds. Then compare the digit in 10 place. So we compare the 10 place. Then finally, compare the digits in ones place. So the 1 place. So we will know which one here is the greater number. And we will know which one is the smaller number. So here are the example of the number from the greater number going to the smaller number. Okay, here are the number patterns that we learned. I can count on or back in twos, 5, tens, and hundreds. Here are the examples. From 200 to 300, we have the number line pattern here. If we will make the number pattern from 200, we write 210, 220, 230, and 240. So we will look at here, we can count on means move forward, or we can count backwards. Then another example, 458, 558, 658. So here the pattern here from onward, count on and count backwards. The pattern here is 100 more and backward is 100 less. Okay, from rounding numbers, we round the number to the nearest 10. So we look at the digit in one place. To round a number to the nearest 100, we look at the digit in the tens place. So if the digit is 5, round down. If the digit 5, round up. If the digit equal 5, we round up. Here that is the example. If we round the number 432 to the nearest 100, so we will look at the 100 here. The 100 here is 4, next is 3. So when we round to the nearest 10, the answer, because the 2 is what? Going down. Because 2 is small, so we will follow. The answer is 430. Okay, if the number is 440, okay, we round off. The answer is 435. Then here, 440, the answer is 438. If we round 438, the answer is 440. But we round the 435, the answer is 440. Because 5 is the higher, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 should go up. So we will change 3 to 4. Then here, you can see number 8, 5, 6, 7, 8. If the number is 5, 6, 7, 8, the number should go up, round up. Okay. Then we study also even and odd numbers. A number is even when it has a digit 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 6, or 8 in one's place. A number is odd when it has the digit of 1, 3, 5, 7, or 9, or 11, or 13 in one's place. So we will know if it's even number. These are the number of even number, and these are the number of odd numbers. So these are the lesson that we learned from the chapter 1. Okay, if you understand or understood our lesson from the start, let's go to WB Master Practice 1 and challenge yourself, number 1. Are you ready? Let's start. Section A. Choose the correct answer. Write the letter in the bracket. Write A, B, C, and D. Which is the greatest number here? Is it A? We say greatest, big number. Is it A, B, C, or D? So what is the answer? Number 2. Which set has the number arranged in order starting from the smallest? So which number from A, B, C, D starts arranged from the smallest going to the biggest or the largest? Is it A, B, C, or D? Write your answer here. Number 3. Okay, answer the question using the place value table. So hundreds, if you count hundreds, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, we have 600. Tens, we have tens, 10. Then ones, we have 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 ones. Question number 3. What is the number shown in the place value table? So what is the place value table here? Can you count the 100, tens, and ones? Is it A, B, C, or D? A, 114. Is it 114? B, 614. C, 604. Or D, 64. A, B, C, D. Number 4. Which digit is the 100 place? So which one is the 100 place here? Is it A, 16, B, 61, C, 60, or D, 6? Number 5. The value of the digit 6 is what? What is the value of 6 here? A, 600, B, 60, C, 6, or D, 613? What is the answer? Number 6. Which is true? When I say true, correct, tugtong. Is it A, 76? The greater is 78. Or B, 82, the greater is 28. Or C, 16, the greater is 15. Or D, 116, the greater is 106. So which is true here? Is it A, B, C, or D? Write your answer. Number 7. Which set contains only even number? When you say even number, 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, and so on. Is it A, B, C, or D? Which one is even number here? A, B, C, or D? Okay, let's go to number 8. Okay, number 8. What are the missing number here? Can you know what are the missing number here? 692. What is the number missing? 712 and 722. If we count from 12 to 22, let's count. 713, 714, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. So 10. So if we count 10, 692 plus 10 equals to what? And so on. So proceed. Plus 10. Is it A, B, C, or D? So what is the answer? Number 9. Which number becomes 300 when rounded to the nearest 10? Okay, if we round 300, so in the nearest 10, so what is the answer? Is it A, 270 is equal to 300? Nearest 10, when we say nearest 10, the 100 next is 10. So the answer is 0, 0. We look at the nearest 10. The nearest 10 is, the tens is tens and ones. So look at the ones. Is it A, B, C, or D? Number 10. 304 can be written as, so which one here is 304? Is it A, B, C, D? Very good. Let's go to section B. Okay, write your answer in the blank. Mike has 13 marbles. You want to put them into 2 boxes. So if we count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12, 13, it has 13 marble. Question, can he have the same number of marble in each bag without any left over? Yes or no? Answer, no. Because 13, we cannot put equal the same number in same bag. So answer, no. Letter B. Is 13 an even or odd number? So what is the answer? Is it number 13 even number? Can you write? Is it even or odd number? So what is the answer? Even or odd number? Okay. Number 2. Look at the number pattern. Fill in a blank. 424, 422, going backward. What's the pattern here? 424, 23, 22. So you count backward, less 2. Look song, less 2. What is the answer? So the number pattern starts with 224. We start from 424. To find the next number, we count backward 2 in 2's. We count 2's number. So write the answer. What is the missing number pattern here? What number here? So you need to count backward. 422, 421, 4. Very good. That's it. Go to number 3. Letter B. 110, 100, 90, 85. This number pattern starts with 110. So we start from 110. To find the next number, we count back. So we count backwards from 110 in 5. So we need to count 5. 110, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. Is it 100? What? Then 100, 99, 98, 97, 96, 90. Okay, so we count backward. Letter C. 268, 278, 288, and 293. The number pattern starts with 268. To find the next number, we count on in 5. So we count 5. 268, 269, 269, 270, 271, 272, 270. Okay, very good. That is the missing, write it. Then 278, 279, 280, 281, 282, 280. Okay, so that's the answer. Next, fill in the blank. Which one is the greater? When you say greater, the big one, big number, you just find here. Example, the greater here is, let's try this one. The greater here is, which one? 278 or 269? So the greater is 278. B. So which one is the greater here? 523 or 640? So the greater is 640. Then answer the following question. Okay. Next, arrange this number in order. So you can arrange the number in order. Begin with the smallest. So which one is the smallest here? 643, 94, sorry, 672, 436, or 618. So which one is the smallest here? The smallest is 436 is the smallest. Smallest going to the biggest, going to the big number. Understand? Okay, let's erase this one. Okay, next, let's go to the next. Next one, number 5. Look at the number pattern. Okay, look at the number pattern here. We have W, X, Y, and Z. And Z. W is 330. X is 340. Y is 350. And Z, 360. Where do this number belong in the number line above? So what letter? Write the correct letter in the boxes. 354. Where is 354 here? Okay, 354. What letter? So write Z. Then 338. Here, the 338. What letter? Easy. The next, write this number So on, continue. Write this number in words. So write the number in words. Example, 349. What is 349? 349. So we will write 3, T-H-R-E-E, 100, because there are 3 digits, H-U-N-D-R-E-D, and 40, F-O-R-T-Y, 9, N-I-N-E, 49. Then B, write 605. Challenge yourself. Use the digits 0 to 9, only one in each number. So the greatest 3-digit number with number 2 in the 100 place. So number 2 is the 100 place. So we will give the greatest number, 2 greatest numbers. So we will put 9 and 8. 9 and 8 are the greatest number. B, the smallest 3-digit number with 3 is 10 place. So we will write the smallest number. So we will write 1 and 2. 1 is the smallest number and 2 is the smallest number. Number 2, fill in the missing digit. So the greater here is 732. So which one number here? Write 2. 726 is small. The greater here is 732. How about this one, letter B? 536 is the greater. So what number we should be right here? Number 4. That's it. So you learn a lot from our lesson today. Okay. And number 3, we have number 3 and number 4. Okay, Anod and Dean started counting at the same time. Anod counting on in tens. Dean counted back in 5 from 545. After 9 counts, they reached the same number. What number did Anod start counting from? Okay, the answer is 500. Anod starts from 500, counting back in 5 from 545. So they start from 545 backwards, 540, and so on, up to 500. Next, what is the greatest odd number that gives 190 when rounded to the nearest 10? So what odd numbers when we round to the nearest 10? Okay, the nearest 10 is 9. The nearest 10 is, next to 9 is 0. So the answer is 19. Next, what is the greatest even number that gives 500 when round to the nearest 100? So the 100 is 5, then the 0 is 10. So the answer is 498. So when we round 498 to the nearest 100, the answer is 500. Why? Because 4 is 100, 9, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 should go up. Then it becomes 500. Okay, thank you, grade 2, for learning online class. I hope you learn a lot from our lesson from chapter 1, from all the topic that we study. I hope you learn a lot from this lesson. See you again next time. Goodbye.